Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Zulu Mama and I do all things isiZulu. And today I bring you some vocabulary words and some short sentences that you can use the next time you go to the beach to have a communication or to tell somebody about what you did at the beach. Namhlanje ke sizofunda amagama esiZulu kanye nemisho elula. Masiqale. The beach is ibishi. Ibishi. Now let's form a sentence. Ngisebishi namuhla. And that means I am at the beach today. The sea is ulwandle. Ulwandle. Ulwandle lukhulu. And that means the sea is big. The sun is ilanga. Ilanga. Ilanga liyashisa. The sun is hot. The sand is isihlabathi. Isihlabathi. Ngidlala esihlabathini. I am playing in the sand. The bucket is ibhakede. Ibhakede. Ngiphethe ibhakede lami. I am holding my bucket. The spade is ifosholo. Ifosholo. Ngisebenzisa ifosholo ukwakha. I'm using a spade to build. The hat is isigqoko. Isigqoko. Ngigqoke isigqoko ngoba ilanga liyashisa. I am wearing the sun hat because the sun is hot. The sunglasses is izibuko zelanga. Izibuko zelanga. Ngigqoke izibuko zelanga. I am wearing sunglasses. A towel is ithawula. Ithawula. Ngisebenzisa ithawula uma ngiqeda ukubhukuda. I use a towel when I finish swimming. A bag is isikhwama. Isikhwama. Isikhwama sami sigcwele izinto. My bag is full of things. A hotel is ihhotela. Ihhotela. Sihlala ehhotela ngesikhathi seholide. We stay in a hotel when we are on holiday. Now let's test your knowledge and see what you were able to catch this time. Let's see if you can recall this. The sea, the sand, and the hotel. Let me know in the comments what these are in isiZulu. And we have come to the end of our video, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends so that they can learn the isiZulu language. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Nisale kahle.